There's a growing movement towards holistic health. People are turning to nature. They seek plant-based solutions for well-being. Herbs, in particular, are gaining recognition. Herbs have been used for centuries. They address various ailments. Their benefits are now backed by scientific research. This has led to a resurgence in their popularity. This renewed interest signifies a shift. People are moving away from synthetic solutions. They embrace the power of nature. Herbs are seen as gentle yet potent allies. They aid in the journey towards a healthier life. Ginger, a popular spice, is renowned for its digestive benefits. It can help reduce nausea and soothe an upset stomach. Turmeric, with its vibrant yellow color, contains curcumin, a powerful anti-inflammatory compound. It can help alleviate pain and reduce inflammation throughout the body. Peppermint, known for its refreshing flavor, is a digestive aid. It can help relieve bloating and gas. These herbs offer a glimpse into the vast potential of nature's medicine cabinet. Each herb has unique properties. They work in synergy with the body. Incorporating them into our diets can have profound effects. These range from boosting immunity to improving digestion. Incorporating herbs into daily life is easier than one might think. A simple way is through herbal teas. These are prepared by steeping fresh or dried herbs in hot water. Another method is creating tinctures. These are concentrated herbal extracts. They are made by soaking herbs in alcohol or vinegar over several weeks. A few drops can be added to water or juice. Herbs can also elevate our meals. They add depth and complexity to dishes. Sprinkle fresh herbs on salads. Add them to soups and stews. Experiment with different flavor combinations. Mindful eating is a powerful tool. It involves paying attention to our food. We savor every bite. We listen to our body's hunger and fullness cues. This practice enhances digestion and nutrient absorption. Beyond diet, lifestyle choices matter. Prioritize sleep. Manage stress through techniques like meditation or yoga. Engage in regular physical activity. These factors contribute to overall well-being. Remember, health is a journey, not a destination. Embrace the process. Listen to your body. Make gradual, sustainable changes. By incorporating herbs and mindful practices, we can unlock a healthier, more vibrant version of ourselves.